Becoming a CVPM has really helped me gain the knowledge and the fundamentals of running a business and running it efficiently and correctly, appropriately. Building a good culture, that's a very big thing these days. I actually am a practice manager for a clinic that just opened 2 weeks ago, and so having the CVPM and the knowledge, I was able to provide so much help and assistance and direction during that time of, setting up accounts, ordering inventory, ordering equipment. It was a lot of things, and I don't know if I would have been able to have done it so confidently had I not become a CVPM. I really feel that people who are on the fence about thinking of becoming a CVPM should just go for it. One, it gives you the credentials within your company, the trust, the knowledge. They know that you've been through all of this and that they know you know how to do your job. It also provides a lot of networking and a lot of professional growth. If you're looking for positions outside of the general practice and wanting to move up in a corporate leadership position, being a CVPM is really going to put you at the top of the line against all the other candidates.